Good morning, guys. Happy holidays from Traveling Mayhem here. We're at the Fresno Chaffee Zoo for the Santa Paws holiday-themed enrichment day. So all the animals get to open up gifts that are, I imagine, full of food and snacks and stuff. Some of their favorite stuff, as we have geese flying all over us. Some of their favorite stuff to eat, and we get to watch them unwrap it like their gifts. So I'm sure they're gonna tear it up. And yeah, so we're gonna get walking here. We're a little late, so we're gonna catch probably about 2/3 of everything. So let's get in there before we miss more. So as you can see, here's the Santa Paws Enrichment Day schedule. We are right at Sea Lion Cove, so we've missed 4 encounters, so we're probably gonna get, I don't know, a third. So we're gonna try and knock these out and see if, oh look, park squirrel. So right now we're heading over to the Sea Lion Cove and we'll go check them out right now. We're walking the back way to Sea Lion Cove right now, but you also get some sweet views. Oh, right here, babe. So I think we got a good day at the park. It's a little nippy right now, but we'll warm up here in a minute, hopefully. And there might be showers today too, so we might get a little rain. I know it's sunny right now, but forecast is saying scattered showers. So we'll see in the next couple hours if we get rained on. But here's their exhibit from the backside. It's gorgeous. Such a good exhibit. We were back over there seeing them. Oh, they're right there. When we were underwater, it was over here. Then we'll go sit over here and watch them.
I got a gift.
We're gonna let the seals and the pelican have first dibs, because otherwise the sea lions will just eat everything. So we're gonna put fish and stuff up here too. So they might just be scared of them, I don't know. We'll see. So if you're waiting around for the seals and nothing's happening, in about 5 minutes we will also let the sea lions out.
So that was cool. The presents obviously didn't have anything in it. They were just there for them to play with, and they kind of started too towards the end, but they were there for the fish. That's all they cared about was the fish.
Yeah, it's really cold out here, but that was really cute. The sea lions.
yeah, the seals at the beginning, because they can't really hop along very well, got the first dibs, and then it went from that to the sea lions. The sea lions were all over. So Natty's getting coffee right now. I'm walking to the capybara exhibit, which is just right in front of me, and they're next on the thing. So not a far walk. It's actually kind of a circle, so they're pretty smart. So let's get some coffee and watch capybaras.
pygmy goats.
It's starting to get freezing. And now we're at the Valley Farm to pet some of the goats. And we'll see what they get for their little enrichment day.
So far, it's only been like food on top of the present. So
Yeah, they've just been playing with the box.
we're excited to see if they actually get to open a present.
Yeah.
There's something in the boxes.
Yeah, for sure. We'll have to wait and see. So the goats were cool. Monkeys are being really loud right now, but the goat thing was kind of cool. They were going crazy over that those boxes of treats. So that was the first time we saw actually animals opening up the boxes, which was cool, huh?
Yeah, we're excited. The lions are
Yeah,
next.
lions are next. And then elephants after that. And then we'll see where we're at. We're gonna get some food too. I'm kind of hungry. And it's about noon. So Natty always gets mad at me because I always get this wrong, but I'm not gonna get it wrong this time. We're going to the African Adventure right now, which is savannah, which is correct. I finally nailed it. We're rushing to get to the lions because that's what's up next. And then we'll do elephants and try to get some grub somewhere in between all that. So everything's like on a half-hour scale. So if you're trying to plan stuff, just you got half-hour increments to try and hit. So usually you try to catch first 10 minutes of everything happening and then move on to the next. So it looks like the lions are gonna get some Christmas trees.
Maybe.
And some meat, possibly. So elephants exhibit is so huge, it's just hard to see, but there was lots going on. They were all snacking. That was their gifts, was a bunch of treats.
Yeah, just treats.
Which was fine. They were hungry. You could tell. They were grubbing. So on to the next. We got some pizza today and we're freezing, so we're right by the big old heater. But we got some pizza, some tortilla soup, and some White Claw. We're grubbing. Time to eat. These guys are getting a Christmas tree for theirs. the condors were sick. That was so cool to see. They tore up some mice and some rats and had a Christmas tree. They were having a blast. That was a cool one so far. That's probably our favorite, right? Is that yours?
Yes.
Yeah, because that was my favorite for sure. So the condors, and then next is the tigers, and that's it for the day. But most of all the exhibits have little presents and all kinds of stuff in that, which is cool because then all the animals are getting in to celebrate the Christmas and holiday spirit right now. Even though it's past Christmas, it's not past Christmas here at the zoo because the animals are still partying. So we're gonna stick to that. So here we go, back to the tigers. Well, the tiger was cool. What do you think?
Yeah, that was really cool.
I
love watching every animal play with all their Christmas trees and all their new toys.
Yeah, the Santa Paws event was dope. There's so much good enrichment going on for all the animals. That was fun. What an awesome experience that was. That was so much fun, and you could tell all the animals loved playing with their gifts. Some of them were a little scared, like, what is this bright colored box doing in my exhibit? But other than that, that was fun.
It was fun.
That was a first time for us. Like, that was so cool. And we filmed all of it on this new GoPro. And yeah, I had a blast.
Yeah,
you too?
It was really fun.
It's just freezing cold out right now. And we're done. We're exhausted. We did all the exhibits that as soon as we got here, we did them all. So that was fun. And we're frozen now, so we're gonna go home. And with that, hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. We're Traveling Mayhem, and we will see you next time. Bye.